Hey guys, I hope you're doing okay with the sub. At this point in time, your warm-up should be done, and you should be getting your packet open to lesson 12. I don't know the page. Look for lesson 12. It's the page after your homework from last night, and let's go ahead and get started. Today, our target is I will be able to use ratios of fractions and their unit rates. So still working with fractions, still got to fine-tune those fraction skills. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're doing in lesson 12. So during this lesson, you're going to remodel a room in your house, and you need to figure out if you have enough money. You will work individually and with a partner to make a plan of what is needed to solve this problem. After your plan is completed, then you will solve the problem determining if you have enough money or if you are short, okay? Yes, I need you to work with a partner. Yes, I need you to work by yourself. First, we're going to work by ourselves, and we're going to talk about the kind of plan you need. All right, you've decided to remodel your bathroom and put tile on the floor. The bathroom is the shape of a rectangle, and the floor measures 14 by 8 inches long. So it's a rectangle 14 by 8 inches long. And it measures 14 feet 8 inches long and 5 feet 6 inches wide. The tile you want to buy costs $5, and each tile covers 4 2/3 square feet. If you have $100 to spend, how much money do you have enough money to complete the project? We're going to make a plan. Complete the chart to identify the necessary steps in the plan to find a solution. What do we know? Let's go ahead and fill in what we know. So far, this is your alone time. We know, first of all, that the floor, I'm going to draw us a picture, that it measures 14, feet and 8 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. We also know that the tile you want to use costs $5 each tile, which covers 4 2/3 square feet. All right. We know that we have $100 to spend, and that's it. That's the only thing we know. What I want to find, what are we going to need to find? First of all, we're going to need to find the area of our area of space, because we're going to fill this in with tiles, okay? So then that means we're going to need to make sure all the units are in feet. Convert units to feet and multiply. Okay. What do we want to find? We know that it's $5 each, and that's $5 for 4 2/3. So we're going to take our $5. We're going to take our area of space, take the area of space, divide it by 4 2/3, and then multiply it by 5. So we split it up into 4 2/3 groups inside our rectangle, and then we're going to multiply by 5 because that's how much it costs. Okay, that's how we find it actually. What do we want to find? Cost of each tile is what we want to find here. And what do we find? Do we have enough money? How are we going to find? We're going to compare to our answer here. All right, so this is the end of the on your own part. Now I would like you to get with a partner and figure this out. Do you have enough money? I'm going to be checking for this tomorrow. Do you have enough money? Work through this. Choose a wise partner to work with. She's a wise partner to work with. And let's get going, guys. All right. I should see that you compared your plan with your partner. Using your plans, work together to determine how much money you will need to complete the project and if you have enough money. Big goal, that's your plan there. Do you have enough to complete the project? Go ahead and answer that and pause your video and come back when you're ready to go over answers. Awesome. Thank you for pausing your video. I should see some work that was put. So this should have at least taken 10, 15, 20 minutes at max to complete this. All right. And your total cost of your project should be $90. You guys should have gotten to $90. We should see work to $90. Okay. And then, is that enough money? Yes, it is, because it's less than $100. All right. Let's go ahead and move on. Exercise 1. Which car can travel further on 1 gallon of gas? We have this blue car that travels at 18 2/5 miles using 0.0 gallons of gas. This red car that travels 17 2/3 miles using 0.7 gallons of gas. Okay, so we're going to compare them using their unit rates. First of all, this one drives 18 2/5 miles on 0.8 gallons of gas. This one, 17 2/3 miles on 0.75 gallons of gas. So let's go ahead and convert that so it says 1 gallon of gas. 1 gallon of gas. You should be taking out your calculator. Let me go ahead and pull up my calculator so you guys can see what I'm doing on the computer. And we're all on the same page. Let's see here. Calculator. Come on. It's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. All right. Ooh, that's too big. Too big. All right. Make that puppy smaller. So we have 18 2/5 that need to be divided by 0.4. Let's go ahead and do 2 divided by 5. Change this to a decimal. Now we have this as a decimal. We're going to add our 18 in. Now it's 18.4. And we're going to divide it by 0.8. We get 23 miles in 1 gallon. Let's do our next one. Oh, I lost my calculator. There it is. Our next one. 2/3. 2 divided by 3. Ooh. Add our 17 back in. Okay, now we have our 17 2/3. Divide by 0.75. And we get 23.56 miles in 1 gallon. Which car can go further? The red car. The red car. Next one. Oops. Problem set. This is what I would like you guys to pause your video on. This is what you're going to work on for the remainder of class. If it doesn't get done in class, this is homework. Okay, homework. I really need you to finish lesson 3 in class and come back to this after you're done with all your lessons. So you have numbers 1 through, let's see what here, 1 through 4 to work on for homework. I hope you guys are doing okay. It's about time probably for encore, okay? So go ahead and stop this video, work on this until the encore, and then encore, I need you to work on lesson 13. Are you listening, guys? Working on lesson 13 for encore. Don't work on these 4 problems during encore. Save these for homework. Lesson 13 is encore's problem set. New video for lesson 13 during encore. Thanks, guys. I hope you're doing okay. And I'll see you tomorrow.